sweet biscuits, 1 cup of milk, 5 grams ENO and some chocolates to garnish. So now we grind these biscuits into the grinder for 1 minute. Now we will add 1 cup of milk to these grinded biscuits and grind it for 30 seconds. Now we will put this mixture into a bowl and put 5 grams of ENO to it and mix it well. Pour ENO. Mix well this mixture into a greased baking dish. We put this mixture into the oven by the help of an adult. Now let it bake for 20 minutes. So now that my cake is ready, I'll transfer it to another dish like this. So friends, you can decorate it with some marshmallows, Nutella, melted chocolates or Smarties. So friends, now I pour melted chocolate on my cake and my cake is almost ready. Yippee! My cake is ready!